तो चलिए आप लोगों को लेके चलते हैं और एक सफ़र में, जहाँ पे हम लोग जाएंगे मुन्नार एंड नीलियम्पथी। और यहाँ पे 50 से ज़्यादा टी एस्टेट्स है which cover around more than 3000 hectares of area. So, hello everyone, let's take a deep dive, and we are about to embark on a beautiful journey through Kerala's Western Ghats from Nelliyampathy to Munnar. Each destination we are heading to has its own charm, rich landscape and unique experience awaiting us. First, let's talk about Nelliyampathy, also known as Poor Man's Ooty. Nelliyampathy is famous for its enchanting hill stations, rich biodiversity, and tea and coffee plantations. As we leave, we will see the misty hills, dense forest, and cascading waterfalls that give this place its magical touch. Our destination is Munnar, Kerala's crown jewel, renowned for its lush tea green, rolling hill and cool climate. Munnar is also one of the most popular hill stations in India. As we drive up, you will notice the scenery change from tropical green of Nelliyampathy to the manicured tea estates that characterize Munnar. Hello. So this is the view from our room. Now we are at Munnar, and this is a fantastic view. Just now we are coming from Nelliyampathy. Hello guys, good morning and welcome back. So right now I am at the Munnar. I am at the Queen's Hotel Munnar. This is Queen's Hotel Munnar, and here's my son. He is saying hello. Say hello, Baba. Hi. Tell hi. So these are our rooms. As you can see, there is our room, and this is the children's playing area, kids playing area, and this is the view. The view is very awesome. You can see the whole of Munnar from here. It's very beautiful, very beautiful. Yeah. So as you are seeing right now, this is Periyar Spice and Ayurvedic Garden. Periyar Spice and Ayurvedic Garden is situated on the Munnar. Here we have a wide range of spices like cardamom, pepper, cloves, and all kinds of herbs like amla, lemon, and everything is there. And also you will be able to have a free Ayurvedic doctor consultation. It is about getting to know more about nature and agriculture of Kerala. यहाँ का स्पाइसेस भी बहुत टेस्टी है बिकॉज यहाँ पे एवरीथिंग इज वेरी नेचुरल. Hello, welcome friends. Good morning, Munnar. So today we are going for the sightseeing. I'll be checking out from the hotel now and we'll be going for sightseeing. Tomorrow we are leaving Munnar. Today is the last day at Munnar. I hope today we can enjoy much and I'll be posting videos and photos afterwards. Thank you. Till then, bye bye.